Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'd like to start off by apologising for the inconsistency of posts. I've not really been feeling it lately with everything that's been going on, but I'm trying to force myself to get back into things. So here we go. Today we're making a creamy prawn spaghetti or linguine, whichever. So you want to start off by chopping up one medium-sized onion. You want to prepare 4 garlic cloves and a slice of ginger. Now you can definitely still use garlic and ginger paste, but I personally think that the fresh ingredients work a lot better. I used a pack of cherry tomatoes and I also chopped them up. I always like to chop up my ingredients beforehand because I feel as though if I don't, I'll just get distracted whilst cooking and I'll probably just burn something. Added in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So here I'm just basically testing out the oil to see if it's hot enough and ready for me to add in the rest of the onions. And then I added in my cherry tomatoes. I let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and whilst that was cooking I basically started boiling my water for the pasta. I always like to do this so that everything's ready at the same time. And then I added in the garlic and ginger. I added in a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 2 tablespoons of oregano. I also added in some chili flakes. Now this depends on whether you want that or not. And 1 tablespoon of cajun seasoning. You want to add in the prawns. You don't want to add them in too early because they will shrink. And then you want to add in a tub of double cream and just let that cook again for about just under 10 minutes, again on low heat, until it kind of thickens a little bit. I also like to add a little bit of lemon juice at this stage because it just gives it that nice zesty taste to the pasta as well. Once your pasta is cooked, you want to mix that in and Bob's your uncle. You're all done. This literally took me about, I'd say, 40 minutes. So that's it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do subscribe, like this video and give it a little share as well. And until next time, see ya!